Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I'm going to do a quick little 10-minute chat working on this wonderful Diamond Dotz painting I really love. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, hope you enjoy the show. Oh, and if you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. So let me start the timer. I always start the timer after do the little intro, just, make sure it's 10 minutes. So I kind of need just a couple colors to finish this little section, but I kind of feel bad keep switching over, like I place 4 and switch colors. So I thought, you know what, let me move on to the next section so y'all don't see me bouncing around changing colors every, I don't know, 4 or 5 times. So I might as well just start a new section, which will be this section here, moving on further to the house. And I'm really excited of how it's coming out. It's so pretty. So I'm going to start here with the little grass. There is a lot of confetti there, but it's not too bad. Since it's such a small painting, it's not really, well, since I sectioned it in small sections, it's not a lot that I would have to kind of keep switching colors over and over. And let me make sure it's zoomed in enough. Sometimes I feel like I'm a little too far out, and no, that looks good. So, how are y'all doing? It's been getting cold here around my area, so oh my goodness, it's been really cold. And usually it's always hot here, so now that it's getting cold, it's just everyone in my city I'm living in is just really kind of spooked a bit by the cold. So I just think it's kind of funny. And, Starbucks is making a lot of money around here. So since it's cold, it's, it's a sign, you know what, you have to go get a coffee. It's like, okay. I always drink coffee, so to me, it's always coffee time for me. And yeah, it's just getting interesting. Just getting used to, goodness, the weather just keeps changing over and over. One day it'll be around 80s, and then now, currently, it's around, well, at night, it's around 50, and I wonder, okay, what is going on? Is this going nuts around here? So, I usually don't, how do I say it? I don't want to come off as kind of, I feel kind of happy because I kind of did a good deed. And I usually don't say when I did a good deed because, I don't know, I just don't want, how do I word it, recognition that I did a good deed. But it made me feel nice because I've been in that situation before and someone was kind enough to, return back to me what I lost. And I thought, yeah, if I was that person, I'd be so worried. And the item that I found, I actually went to where I work. Okay, little bit of a spoiler. I work in higher education. I work in a university. That's all I got. So, of course, there's, shared bathrooms. It's open to the public. So I went, went to the bathroom, doing bathroom things. And I saw that someone had forgotten their cell phone on one of the counters. And I thought, oh my god, and there was nobody there. It was already end of day. Everybody was gone. So I thought, oh my goodness, I wonder if they know that, they left their cell phone behind. So, I washed my hands and all of that. And I picked up the phone and I thought, oh, they might be calling it. No, the phone just kept, it was on, but it wasn't getting alerts or anything. So I thought, oh, maybe they didn't notice that their phone's not in, let's say, their purse or something. So, and it was a nice phone. It was a brand new phone. It was a new iPhone, one of the newer models. And I thought, oh my god. And I know how expensive they are. They're not, well, no new cell phone's cheap. So I felt so bad about, oh my goodness, if I could have just left it there and think, oh, you know what, they'll come back for it. But it's already the end of day, and I don't know, to me, as I said, if it was myself, I'd be worrying so much trying to find my phone that I took it and I left it in the area that university police picks up. So, they catalog it, so if anybody's looking for the phone, they can contact the police department and be able to pick it up. And yeah, I'm, I was kind of happy to do that because I've been in that situation. I've lost my cell phone, and someone, Good Samaritan, actually returned it. And I always thought, you know what, if ever, if unfortunately I see another person in that situation, I'm going to make sure to follow through. But this one was a little different because it was already end of day and it was already late, and I actually already had to be heading home. So I'd rather, make sure it's in safe hands, and that's why I left it with our police department. So I'm really, really hoping, the little cell phone found its way home. So I don't know. It made me feel good for the week. So made me put a smile on my face, and I like to think that the person out there, whoever's phone that is, they're happy that it was just returned to them. Because it's scary losing, especially something really expensive like that. It is scary, and especially since a lot of people have a lot of personal information on their phones. And to me, I also thought of security too. So it's better safe than sorry, as the saying goes. I don't know if it pertains to this. I don't know why I said that. And I don't know why my single placer is kind of giving me problems. So I'll just switch to the multi-placer and pick everything up. So I don't know. That's my little story for today. It just made me feel good that I got to do something nice for someone. And I don't know. To me, it's it's a good feeling. And then it's back out to the cold. So, and yeah, like I said, I was leaving for the day, so I stepped out there. I was like, oh my goodness, this is just too cold. It's just too cold for me. And I don't mind it. It's just when you step, how you step out of the warm building, it could be your home, anywhere, and suddenly you're there and you just feel really nice, icy, cold wind. You're like, oh, come on. At least tone it down a bit. But then when it becomes summer around where I live, it's in the triple digits. So I'm like, you know what? I should probably love the cold weather right now. Then when it starts getting hot, oh my goodness, it gets really, really hot. So I should be grateful for the nice icy wind that's coming in. And I know it's not just my area. I know a good section of the country is, everyone's getting bombarded with snow or a lot of icy weather right now. So it's not just me. It just surprises me every time I step out. I'm like, oh my goodness, it's cold. So it sounds silly whenever I start saying it like that. And yeah, and I also recently planning to do an unboxing, probably, not sure, this weekend. And it was a Diamond Art Club order, but it's not specifically just paintings. They just released kind of, how would I word it? Extra diamonds, like, you can have on the side if you want to enhance a painting. So they released a whole bunch of fairy dust and AB diamonds, a couple of their luminescent diamonds, and I forgot what the other type they had. So you can purchase on the side and have them, in case you want to do an enhancement, you have these extra diamonds so you can do them. Myself, since I have still not completed so many paintings, I do not have a lot of special diamonds to do enhancements. So I purchased a set of fairy dust because to me, I think it was a better value because there are a lot more in the box. So I believe it's around 15 colors, I believe. Yeah, it's 15 colors. And they're really big tubes. They surprised me because in the picture they look real small, but I got the order today, and when I saw them, I was like, whoa, that is a lot of diamonds. So I'll do an unboxing this weekend, and you'll see that order. Because I did buy a painting, and a couple of small paintings that I really liked. They were too cute, so stay tuned for that video. They're just so cute. And I kind of want to get into the habit of enhancing paintings. So that's why I was really excited that, and I really love Diamond Art Club diamonds, so I was so excited that, they finally are putting out some extras you can have on the side if you're like Rosy, who has unfortunately have not saved that many yet. I'll get there, just have to really finish paintings. And let me see how we're at 9 minutes. So I'm thinking there's some other topic I wanted to talk about. It kind of slipped my mind. I was just excited I got my order today. So, and And for that order, I used diamonds that they gave for, because I am diamond level on Diamond Art Club. How many paintings I bought? Yeah, I better be diamond level. And they do kind of like an anniversary of, you know, how, I guess, a year of diamond level. And yeah, they gave me a couple points. So I used those to order this order, which I was so glad to be able to use my points because I don't usually touch them. I just let them save and I forget I have points. And then I found out points do expire. So that's why I was really excited to use it for this order. And I still have some more that I can use, but I'm going to wait till they do. I'm going to try hard to purchase more of my wish list paintings. I mean, I've been waiting for restocks for a couple paintings I've been wanting forever. I'm going to be able to use my points on that. And I'm trying not to get near new releases because it's like never ending, isn't it? You see one, you buy it, and then the following week it's, oh, look, there's another one I want. And my wish list just keeps getting bigger, and I'm not, you know, decreasing the wish list. So, and there are some favorites that I saw last year that when I unfortunately couldn't purchase them are on my wish list. So I'm waiting for restocks. I can pick them up and I'm more than happy to use the points for them. And I don't know why I got to this topic. It just popped in my head because since I got the order, I guess. And fixing that diamond that does not want to go in. And ooh, there we go. I don't know why this one didn't want to pop in. And oh, we hit 11 minutes. So, yay. So I got close to 10 minutes. It's just I kind of wanted to hit 10, but I figured I was going to go over. I always go over. But I'm really loving how this painting's coming out. And I'll make sure to kind of put a photo of this little section once I complete all the little spots I'm missing. And I'm trying really hard to post on my Instagram, so stay tuned for that. I still need to put an update photo for this section, so you know what, I'll put a photo of both sections because it's such a pretty part of the house, so stay tuned for that. And again, if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. Really helps put the channel out there, and it really allows me the opportunity to show all of these wonderful diamond paintings we all love to do. Even if they're little homes, they're taking a bit. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.